Meaning of empty-headed.
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 Empty-headed. Empty-headed is an idiom used to describe someone who is thought to be stupid or lacking in intelligence. When we say someone is empty-headed, we mean that they are not able to think well or reason logically. They may have a hard time understanding complex concepts and might struggle with problem solving. This term can be used to describe someone who appears to be scatterbrained or easily distracted, as if they lack deep thought or substance. Overall, being labeled as empty-headed suggests a lack of mental acuity and intellectual depth.